Everybody's pressed for time and we're all busy, working, very tired. We don't have time to do anything. Hi, my name is Josie. Welcome to Sari Flavors. Today, I'm going to show you the best and tasting easy chicken adobo, Filipino style, under 30 minutes. But before we continue, please hit the subscribe and like button to receive more great recipes. So, let's start cooking. Are finished. Chicken adobo Filipino style. You guys can cook even though you're busy. This is only under 30 minutes and it's yummy. So, see you in my next video.